G'day, and welcome to Currencies Direct weekly podcast for Monday, the 4th of October. 9 months down, and we're on to the 10th for 2021. For the Rand, despite having its fair share of ups and downs, starts October pretty much in line with where it started the year. After a tough start last week, which saw the Rand touch 15.25 against the US dollar after 4 consecutive days of losses, ended the week and month of September on a slightly better footing. The local unit and its emerging market peers endured a rather volatile week, with risk-off sentiment flooding the global market. Talks of US monetary policy tightening, energy concerns in the Northern Hemisphere, a decrease in commodity prices coupled with an increase in the price of Brent crude oil were all contributing factors to the Rand's poor run of form. At least the same cannot be said about the Springboks. Over in the US, the Fed have signaled the start of a slowdown in their bond buying program. Although not quite the indication of normalization, the move by investors was quite significant. Masses went in search of the mighty greenback. With the next meeting set for November, we can almost be certain that all eyes will be on Fed Chair Jerome Powell for further indications. Over in China, inflation and energy concerns appear to have gripped the nation, with factories across the country having to reduce schedules and in some cases even halt operations. The shortage of coal has also led to an impact to households, which many fear could affect the country's economic growth. Staying in China, the country's largest property developer, Evergrande's trade, has been halted in Hong Kong, as the group attempts to sell some of the assets in order to raise capital. Elsewhere, the price of Brent crude peaked at $80 per barrel, the highest since October 2018. The rise in Brent crude, coupled with a decrease in other commodity prices, have also contributed to the Rand's poor run of form. There is some good news, though. News of a treatment pill to fight COVID-19 has been welcomed across the globe. The pill, which is developed by the pharmaceutical company Merck, is raising hope of preventing both deaths and hospitalizations. The news, coupled with a marginal improvement in market sentiment, has seen the Rand open the new month slightly below the key level of 15 against the US dollar. That's it for this week's edition. If you'd like to chat about any of your currency requirements, please get in touch with us on 021 418 0105 for Currencies Direct Weekly Podcast. My name is Justin Ludovec.